What's up, everybody? And today we're going to check the CARFAX on that truck I'm interested in buying. So we'll just go ahead and run the CARFAX on it and see what kind of information it'll give me. That's a 2008 Chevrolet Colorado LS. It has, apparently, according to this, it's got 257,571 miles, which you can't go by that. I have to go in person when somebody's there and check it out myself, because sometimes you can't go by this. We're going to go to history. On July 9th, 2026, it had one of the windows repaired. 5/11, it had a window repaired. New owner this year, May 3rd. But after that, they ain't had nothing done for 4 years. See where this truck come from. Came from Quincy. Oh, this truck is a Florida truck. I'd say you probably have. That probably seems about right. 253,000 miles on it. I mean, it's still good. I won't go far in it. It's a 2.9 liter 4-cycle. Now, I would consider this truck if. Let me go ahead and put a picture on it. On what the issue is with the idling. I'll put that picture there so I know which vehicle I'm looking at. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll keep you updated if I buy this thing here.